you are ready to start making money from the comfort of your home, but you have no website, no following, no audience, no blog, you're not an influencer, do not worry, because this video is right for you. I'm going to be sharing 10 ways that you can make up to $3,000, if not more, per month and leave your job for good. The first one is sell products on Amazon. Nearly 60% of all purchases in the US are done on Amazon. There are millions of sellers making a ton of money on Amazon. You can sell your own products or someone else's products, buy, resell with a profit. Now, the advantage of Amazon is that it's a huge marketplace, a huge income potential. Also, you can definitely turn that side hustle into a full-time income. Amazon is trustworthy. It's not going anywhere. It's there for the long run. Now, the disadvantage is that it's highly competitive. You're not alone out there, and you may need to invest some money to buy and then resell. The second way is to write on Medium. If you love writing, Medium is right for you. It's a huge platform attracting millions of visitors, readers every single month. So there are multiple ways that you can make money from Medium. First of all, you write your article. It's like a blog, but you don't have the hassle of hosting or security or having your own website, any of that. You get paid by Medium members who pay a membership. Another way is that if you share Medium with your network and people become a member, again, another way to get money. But the third way to get money through Medium is that you can attract readers through your writing and direct them to your platform on social media. And that's where you can capture them and have more conversations with them and maybe sell services or other products. Now, the advantage is the millions of active readers and visitors every single month. It's a huge platform. It's well known. It's solid. But the disadvantage is that it may take a while before you really get known and get a lot of articles on there. But again, if you have that third method and you attract clients outside of Medium, you make a lot more money. The third way is Upwork. I love Upwork because anybody can make money on Upwork. You have skills, you have expertise. Think about photography, writing, designing, graphics, something creative, speaking, coaching, consulting, translations, proofreading. Millions of ways to make money on Upwork. If you want to know the highest in demand skills that you can make money from and how to actually get started step by step, watch my other videos on Upwork that I have on my channel, and I'll link for them below as well. The advantage of Upwork is that it's a huge place. You don't have to attract clients. They are there looking for your skills and expertise. You can easily replace your full-time job with Upwork income. You can easily make $3,000 a month, even much more. The disadvantage is that in the very beginning, when you have 0 clients, you may have to start at a lower rate, at a lower price, and build that up until you have a few clients, a few reviews, and then you can increase your prices. And the second disadvantage is that it's not passive income, okay? You have to put in the work, you have to be actively working, and that's how you get income. The fourth way is to sell on Etsy. I know I mentioned Amazon, but Etsy is a great platform for handmade goods. If you're creative, you can sell your paintings or printables or designs or handmade jewelry or anything creative that you can make, you sell it on Etsy. The advantages of Etsy are you can use Etsy's reputation. It has a big audience. You can start on the side and then make it a full-time income. However, it is highly competitive and it does take time to create the handmade goods. Number 5 is teach. Share your expertise and your skills through teaching. Create online courses. There are platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, which is exactly how I started to make money using my expertise and my skills. And on Udemy, I have nearly or over 50,000 students right now because of courses that I've created only by sharing my experience, and they make it so easy. You put in your videos, your worksheets, your cheat sheets, you add a description and a title, and that's it. Boom, you're selling. I have courses about escaping your 9 to 5, about moving abroad, settling in abroad, increasing your self-confidence, and more. So the advantage is that it's a huge marketplace and people are actually looking for courses and ready to buy your courses. The disadvantage is, of course, that you have to pay a fee every time you sell. So for example, Udemy takes 50% of everything that you sell. Moving on to number 6. And by the way, if you like this so far, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I make videos every week for you to make more money and be able to escape your 9 to 5. Let's talk about number 6, which is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply you sell someone else's product or service and you earn a commission for it. It is super easy. It is the easiest passive income stream. You have no worry about the technical issues, no worry about the whole customer service or customer complaints or payment details or any processing issues at all. All you do is share somebody else's product or service. You don't have to create it and you make money. So the big advantage is it's purely passive income. It's easy. The disadvantage is if you don't have a big audience or network, then it might be a struggle to sell it to somebody or find someone who will purchase it through your link. Now, the next ways to make money from the comfort of your home are ways that not many people talk about. Number 7 in this is answer questions on Quora. Quora is a platform where people ask questions and then in turn experts or other users answer those questions. 200 million active users are monthly on Quora. That's where money can come from for you. So if you give quality answers, you share your expertise and knowledge to help people, you will get noticed, you will build a reputation, and people will find you and click on your profile. Also, Quora has a partner program, which is another way to make money. And the more page views you get, the more money you get. It's a huge platform with millions of users. The disadvantage is it may take time. It may take time to always look for some questions that you can answer and also type your quality answer. The next one is real estate. And you may think, but I need money to invest. And that's true. But I'll share with you what has worked for me and how I'm making over $2,000 a month through real estate. Now, I've always listened to my dad, who has the wise words, Rachel, have patience. Real estate is on the long run and you need to think about the long term. Think about when you retire, you'll have money coming in. And that's true. Carnegie once said about 90% of all millionaires become so through real estate investments, and many examples today prove that this remains true. Think about Grant Cardone, who also said, real estate is real and always a good idea to put your money in. Look, people will always need homes. There's always a demand and prices increase over time, and you get tax benefits, and you can find ways to invest with little or no money. Think about private lenders, loans, microloans, crowdfunding, buy with family members, which is actually also what I've done. I've also saved a lot of money, and I still do. And there are many ways that you can save money without looking or feeling cheap. And I made a couple of videos on that on my channel. I'll link on that below as well for you. So what I've also done is with my brother, I invested in a house, we took a mortgage, and we get monthly rent. And when we sell it after 5 or 10 years, we get a lot of profit from that. Now, last year or 2 years ago already, I decided to travel full time. I don't need a house. So the apartment that I was living in, I sold it with a big profit, reinvested it, and now I'm getting monthly rent. I'm making over $2,000 a month through real estate. It is purely passive income every month while I sleep. If you're thinking, I don't want to invest, then the next way to make money is to rent a room. Think about Booking.com, Airbnb. You can literally, and I have clients doing that, rent a room in your own house. You share your bathroom, you share your kitchen. Maybe your house is big enough and you can make a little studio with a separate entrance for the renter. But it is so easy these days to make money. You can even on those websites, decide when you want and when you don't want. You can make it as flexible as you want. The positive is that you leverage their big websites where people are looking to rent a room. The downside may be that you have a few percentage of fees to pay. I'm going to add another one, which a lot of people are always forgetting, and that is use your network. Think about all the contacts in your own network, your email, Who is in your email? Who are your friends? Who is your family? If you have some service, some skills, some expertise, some product that you want to sell, use your network. Your network is your net worth. It's a book from Porter Gale. And he says your social capital, your ability to build network relationships is the most important asset in your portfolio. So it's only advantages. Talk, ask, network, be a human being and build those relationships and talk about what you want to sell, your product or your service. And if you want to know the highest skill in demand to make up to $230, even $300 per hour, make sure you watch my video that I made for you on that, and I'll see you there.